Amazing. I'm walking at the middle of the jungle. You can see the rain is coming. But the moisture content seems to be like 100% already. Big trees, multiple layers. Yeah. So interesting. An ecosystem. Some trees has fallen and some still living long. Wow, amazing. I love this. Look at these leaves. Beautiful. These leaves, purple in color. Oh, look at that tree. I think it must be like a few 100 years old. So today I'm going to walk like 5 kilometers down and then walk back. So in total it's gonna be 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 kilometers. Just feel the peace away from the city and pollution, away from pollution. Beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. You need to be careful with this one. It can fall down anytime. All right.